The Owen clip-on strainer silicone is a compact, practical kitchen tool designed to make straining food from pots and pans more convenient. Here's a detailed review based on its features and general user feedback. Key features: 1. Material made from durable, heat-resistant silicone that can withstand high temperatures without deforming or melting. 2. Design clips securely onto various sized pots, pans, and bowls, thanks to its strong, adjustable clamps. The small and lightweight design makes it easy to store compared to traditional colanders. 3. Versatility, suitable for draining pasta, vegetables, meat, or fruit directly from the cookware, eliminating the need for transferring food to a separate strainer. Pros: efficient, saves time by allowing you to strain directly from the cooking vessel. Universal fit, compatible with most pots and pans, making it versatile. Heat resistant, safe to use with boiling water and hot food. Sturdy clips, holds firmly in place during use. Odor link bio and comment.